Hey patent friends, welcome back to another video. So how do you patent a book, and are books even patentable? This video is going to give you everything you need to know about protecting your book, and be sure to watch all the way to the end because I'm going to give you some information on what you can do right now to protect your book. So stick around, we are starting right now. So for those of you who are new here, my name is Dylan Adams. I'm a patent attorney and author of the best-selling book, Patents Demystified, which is an insider's guide to protecting ideas and inventions used by inventors and entrepreneurs worldwide, including at top universities like Harvard, Stanford, and MIT. You might also recognize me from my appearance on CNBC's hit show, The Prophet, with Marcus Lemonis. So this channel is all about intellectual property and specifically patents. And if you want more information about patents and intellectual property, startups, be sure to hit subscribe, click that little bell icon so you get notification when new videos come out. All right, let's go ahead and get right into it. So to answer the question of how to patent a book and whether books are even patentable, it's important to understand the four types of intellectual property. Specifically, that is patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. Okay, so let's start with trade secrets. And trade secrets actually are applicable to books. So trade secrets are going to be anything that you are keeping secret that isn't readily available to the public. And that may actually apply to books at early stages when you're not releasing them. But at the same time, you know, we're going to be talking about protecting books that are going to be available to the public, maybe sold on Amazon, things like that. So trade secrets may be appropriate in early stages, and all you need to do is really just keep the thing secret, not have it be publicly available, and you get trade secret protection. But that's really, again, not what we're focusing on here. So let's then turn to trademarks. So trademarks protect specific goods and services in relation to certain marks. Okay, so you have a mark, whether it be like say a logo or a slogan, and it's going to protect that specific slogan or logo in relation to specific goods and services. Clearly, that's not what we're going to be protecting when it comes to literary works like books. Okay, trademarks are going to be protecting marks and in relation to the specific goods and services, something totally different. Okay, so let's then talk about patents. So patents protect utilitarian things. A lot of times it's going to be things like computer software, biotechnology, mechanical devices, but patents don't actually protect things like artistic works. Okay, so patents are not appropriate for patenting books. You cannot actually patent a book. So then that leaves copyrights. So copyrights are going to protect artistic works, including books, things like music, screenplays, paintings, photography, videos like this, okay? So that is going to be the realm of copyright where you're going to be protecting a book. So again, you cannot patent a book, but you can copyright a book. Okay, so how do you get copyright protection on a book? So one of the nice things about copyrights, unlike patents, is that you actually get some basic protection when you fix that thing into a tangible medium. And what does that really mean? So once you have the book actually written, even if it's just in a computer file, especially once it's a physical copy of something, you get some basic protection. And the nice thing about copyrights is you can use that Circle C mark anytime you want. Once you have something, you can indicate that you have copyright protection on it. At the same time, it's important to get a federal trademark registration on your book as well, because even if you have sort of the basic common rights associated with just having something in a fixed tangible medium, sort of these common law rights of copyright, you can't actually enforce your rights effectively unless you get a federal registration. Okay, so how do you do that? It's actually really easy to do. It's really inexpensive. Just go to copyright.gov, you submit your work, you pay a filing fee, and then you're going to be able to get copyright protection. So it's relatively easy. Unlike patents, which are really expensive and which are really difficult to get, copyrights are really simple. So again, you cannot patent a book, you can copyright it. And it's pretty easy to do. Just go to copyright.gov. So if you got some value out of this video, please give it a like and subscribe as well if you want to get more content on intellectual property. Also, I want to give you some bonus content right here. This is all about how I got my book deal and I published my best-selling book. And here's another great video as well. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next video.